Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope you all will be fine. Okay, say your prayer. Rabbi Assir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Today we will do the page number 47 and 48 of Summer Pack Workbook. Open your page. Yes, page number 47 is there. Write down the date and day on the top of the page. And today we will do the missing numbers of 0 to 10. Missing numbers of 0 to 10. Okay, you will write here the missing numbers. First number is there, 0. What is this? 0. What comes after 0? Yes, 1. Start with this dot. Make 1 to touch the bottom line. What is this? 1. 0, 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. Make 3 like this. What is this? 3. What comes after 3? 4. 4 is written. Yes, what comes after 4? 5. Yes, make a straight line. Then a clockwise half circle. Make a straight line. What is this? 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. What comes after 6? 7. Yes, make a straight line and then a slant line. What is this? 7. Touch the bottom line. 7, 8. What comes after 8? 9. Make an anti-clockwise circle. Go up and then come down to touch the bottom line. What is this? 9. And then 10. What is this? 10. Okay. We will do the missing numbers again. Yes. What's missing here? 0. 0. Start from this dot and make 0. 1. What comes after 1? 2. Yes. Make 2 like this. What is this? 2. 3. What comes after 3? 4. Make a straight line. Yes. And now touch the bottom line. 4. What is this? 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? 6. Make a slant line. And then come a circle. What is this? 6. 7. What comes after 7? 8. Yes, write 8 beautifully. Join this and make a 8. What is this? 8. 9. What comes after 9? Yes, student. What comes after 9? 10. 1, 0, 10. Very nice. Every digit should touch the line and complete this page very beautifully. Your writing should be neat and clean. Okay, now we will do the next page of workbook, page number 48. Page number 48. Wow, this is another activity for you. Add, write and color. 3 things we will do here. Firstly, we will add the things and then write and then color the things. Okay. How many baskets are there? 1, 2. 2. And how many baskets is there? 1. 1. Now we'll count them all together. 1, 2, 3. What? How many baskets are there? 3. Yes, we will write here 3. Now trace this 3. Very nice, class. Okay. These are candles. Now count the candles. 1, 2, 3 candles. Yes, 3 is written here. 1. One more candle is there. Now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many candles are there? 4. We will write here 4. Yes. Make a straight line. Then touch the bottom line. What is this? 4. Yes, there are 4 candles. What is the next picture? Yes, chilies are there. Okay, count them all together. How many chilies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many chilies are there? 6. You will write here 6. Make 6 like this. What is this? 6. Okay, this is our last question. There are 6 cups and 2 more cups are there. You will count them all together and write answer here. Okay, you will do this by yourself. Okay, and color all these things, color the baskets, candles, chilies, and in cups. Okay, do this page at your homework. 2 pages are your homework, page number 47 and 48. Okay, take care and Allah Hafiz.